What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CATLESS back with another video, as you can see. First off, nigga, it is 105 degrees outside, nigga.
Cap.
It's hot as hell and I'm outside doing this video. So you better hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, hit that subscribe button right now and that like button. I'll wait. You hit it yet?
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Nigga. But nah, for this video, I'm gonna be telling y'all niggas about how to make y'all VQ sound good. Alright, quick disclaimer. I absolutely lied. I filmed a different video. I was like, this video is just not entertaining. So I switched up the video to, you know, the title, as you can see. So let me make a few cuts and yeah, I'm fucking your butt. No! So, let me get into that video, nigga. Alright, so, first off, when I mean actually good, nigga, stop street piping your fucking VQs, bruh. That's why we get clowned now. The motherfuckers do not sound good. They do. I'm finna get fucking, narked in the fucking comments. You weak ass, bitch ass nigga. Street pipes sound good. I have Beluga resonated test pipes. I have fucking stock resonators, a Megan White pipe, a muffler delete. Nigga, I am sweating my ass off, bruh. God damn. But yeah, I'm gonna try something new. Like, I'm gonna get some exhaust clips, but there's a twist, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the microphone in the trunk. Yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm coming up with ideas, you know what I'm saying? But I'm finna see if this shit work. So if that shit don't work, then I mean, at least I tried. You know what I'm saying? Bro, nigga, you can literally see the fucking sweat coming off. God damn. God damn. But nah, y'all niggas can see the back end of this bitch. I'm finna try to put this. Matter of fact, let's try to do it now, bruh. Let's try to do this shit now. Fuck. Don't mind my trunk, you know what I'm saying? I want to see if this shit actually works, bro. Because if this shit works, I put y'all niggas on fucking game. If this shit works, I put y'all on fucking game. I swear to God. Hold on. Where should I mount it in here, bro? I don't know where I should mount it in here. Give me a minute and let me figure that out. And yeah. Alright, so I completely nigga rigged this shit. I put tape all over here, and then I'm gonna just shut the trunk. So I'm gonna test it out and see if y'all niggas can fucking hear me. So can y'all niggas hear me? Well, can y'all hear the exhaust? Gotta do a lot of fucking editing. Can y'all let me know if y'all can hear this? Let's find out. Let's get into a drive and we can talk more. The scenery, decent as hell. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder how this shit sounds, bro. that fucking phone didn't overheat. Let me check and see if the mic is still there and the camera is still fucking on. Alright, the bit's still there. But is the camera still on? Y'all niggas still on that camera? Hey, we finna see if this shit sound good, bruh. I'm finna keep driving and then, you know what I'm saying, get more to the video. finna pull over and check and see how that shit sounds, cause that shit sounds fucking ass. I am not putting that in the fucking video. I swear to God, I'm not. I swear to God, if this shit sound ass, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Bro, is this shit finna sound ass?
Nope.
Let me get my cringe ass on. Y'all still on there? Yeah, I see that motherfucker got over. You see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. That bitch said it's overheating. Where'd it go? You see what I'm saying? That bitch said you're overheated. I already knew it was gonna overheat because I'm in the fucking trunk, obviously. I think I'll open this thing up right here so I can get some airflow coming in here, but I don't know. All right, so I just listened to sound on my trap phone. I mean, like, it don't sound bad. Like, I wouldn't do it again. Like, I would actually get my GoPro and put it up on the fucking windshield right there, but I wouldn't do that again. But other than that, it sounds decent for sure. For sure. It definitely sounds deep. Decent. But nah, if you wanna, I mean, you can go like get just resonated test pipes and just get a muffler delete and call it a day, cause that'll sound good. But I mean, if you really want to be loud, like I don't know the word I was looking for. But nah, if you just want to be loud, like just loud in general, just get some fucking test pipes, fucking, you know what I'm saying? God damn! Get you a single exit. I mean, if single exit, I would go with the Tomei, or Tomei is the loudest shit. Like you want to get a lot of drone gain. If you want to get a Tomei, get a Tomei. Other than that, I would recommend an ISR, fucking single exit. Or if you want to go the route that I took and muffle down the sound a little bit, but still loud, do what I do. Or do your own thing to it, but you don't gotta be me, bro. I ain't saying like, you know what I'm saying? Let me know any video ideas y'all niggas want me to do, and I'll fucking do it anytime, you know? I do want to get an outside POV of the car, so I'm gonna do that. I forgot I still got this shit right here, bro. Let me fucking get this shit off of here, bro. This shit look bogus. I probably won't even do this shit again. I ain't even gonna cap to you. If I do this shit again, then I gotta be fucking drunk or high. I ain't gonna lie. Can't get this hell off, nigga. I'm gonna get to y'all when I get it off. Fuck, there it goes. My nigga, it's too hot for this shit, nigga. Stand still, fuck.